In this video, I'm reviewing BuildYourSite, a website builder perfect for small businesses and individuals seeking a simple yet professional online presence. Links to BuildYourSite and related resources are below. One of BuildYourSite's key features is its personalized design service. Their team helps create your website, making it ideal for those who prefer expert guidance. If you'd rather build your own, BuildYourSite offers an easy drag-and-drop editor and customizable, mobile-responsive templates for various industries. Add text, images, videos, contact forms, and call-to-action buttons. While simpler than Wix or Squarespace, it's effective for basic website needs. BuildYourSite also supports e-commerce, allowing you to set up an online store with product listings, payments, and inventory management. It's great for smaller operations, but those with large catalogs or complex needs may find its tools limited. BuildYourSite shines with its dedicated customer support team, always ready to assist with design, setup, and maintenance. This is perfect for users less comfortable with technical aspects. SEO tools are also included to boost your online visibility. However, BuildYourSite's simplicity means fewer advanced features and integrations compared to other builders. Customization is also somewhat limited. Ultimately, BuildYourSite is excellent for users prioritizing ease of use, personalized service, and reliable support over advanced features. It's perfect for creating a professional website without the hassle. Check the links below to explore BuildYourSite and see if it's right for you. This review should help you decide if it aligns with your website goals.